Page 385, number 47, we're asked to find an algebraic expression equivalent to the given expression. That expression is sine of the inverse tangent of x. So what you want to remember is that theta, which we'll put right here, theta is equal to the inverse tangent of x. Because remember, the value of any inverse trig function is an angle. So we can assume that where the x is in the triangle, if we remember that tangent is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So what we can do is label the opposite side x and the adjacent side 1. So then all we need to do is find the third side of the triangle, which is the hypotenuse. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to have that r is going to equal the square root of x squared plus 1 squared, or 1. So from that, we can find sine of this. So we're really looking for a sine of theta, which is the same as sine of the inverse tangent of x. So that's going to be, remember, the opposite side, which is x, over the hypotenuse. So this value is going to be x over the square root of x squared plus 1. And that is going to be our answer.